It started with a dream, a vision born in Hamburg, 1925. 5 countries, one mission, to bring the world's best hairdressers together. Intercoiffure was never just a name, it became a global movement. A family of artists, of style makers, and of leaders. More than 50 nations, thousands of salons, and one shared passion. Education, innovation, beauty, passed from one generation to the next. And now we are here, and we are stronger than ever. Feel the power of artistry, of unity. From the past to the future.